Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today, the worst financial decision that you will ever make in your whole entire lives. Now before I get into this topic real quick, if you haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe while you're at it so that you stay notified of more videos just like this. And also be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's begin. Now listen, I know as teenagers, especially coming out of high school, we're always gonna want the coolest and latest things, you know, like Gucci clothes, jewelry, our shoes and whatnot. Okay, I get it. As teenagers, that's what we want because we have this mentality of that society is going to judge us if we don't have these things, right? Now, also on the list of these things, there's one more important, huge thing that's going to be worse than any of these things when it comes to making financial decisions in your future. And that's having a brand new car, or better yet, buying a brand new car. Buying a brand new car? What are you talking about, man? I'll be the coolest kid in the whole school if I get a new car. Yeah, you might be, but it's also going to be the worst financial decision that you're ever going to make in your life if you get a new car. But besides that, the biggest problem with this is that even if you do get a new car, who's to say you're not going to want another newer car next year or the year after that? I mean, guys, these manufacturers are not going to stop making cars anytime soon, okay? And with every year that comes by, there's always going to be a newer model with newer gadgets or whatever, and you're telling me you're gonna go and buy every single new car that comes out every year? I mean, how much money do you actually got to afford all these new cars, huh? Oh crap. But now let me tell you why this is actually the worst financial decision that you're ever gonna make. Because the minute you drive that car off the lot, guys, it immediately depreciates in value at an average of around 18%. Now, let me put this in a better example because some of you are just probably like, what does that mean, right? Well, put it like this, guys. Let's say a brand new car, any car right now, costs $10,000, okay? Well, the minute you buy that brand new car and you finish signing the deal and everything after they run your credit score and all that good stuff, well, as soon as you drive it off that lot, that $10,000 car that you bought, if it depreciates at an 18%, immediately it's gonna lose $1,800 as soon as you drive it off. Meaning that at the end, your car value is gonna be at $8,200. Of course, that's not including interest or anything like that and all those other factors, but just for the sake of this video, we'll use this simple example, okay? Now imagine this, you're paying $10,000 on a car that is only worth $8,200. Now tell me, in what way, form, or shape does that make any sense? Please, someone in the comment section, please comment below right now. In what way does that make any sense to pay for something that's worth less than what it's valued? Please. And the worst part about this is you're basically stuck with this car until it's fully paid off. Meaning that if you got this car on a 5 to 6 year term loan or whatever, you're going to be paying for this car for the next 5 to 6 years. And by then, the newest car will be already, 5-6 years ahead of yours. And you're going to be stuck with this older car still paying it off. Not to mention all the interest that's going to be accumulating with this brand new car, okay? And don't even get me started if you have bad credit or no down deposit on this car when you first purchased it. Because that's just going to make it even worse, raising your interest even more. Therefore, you're going to be paying even more for a car that's worth less than what you bought it for. So instead of paying $10,000, you might be paying at least $12,000 to $13,000 for a car that's only worth $8,200 now. So if you're still going to sit there and tell me that this is still a good idea or a good buy, well then you're in for some bad news, guys, okay? Remember, there's always going to be a newer and better car every year that comes out. So my suggestion to this is don't buy a new car. Don't listen to any of these salesmen are going to tell you, because they're going to try their best to rip you off with this by telling you that you're going to be the coolest kid or something like that in school by purchasing this new car, which you might, but I mean, that's only going to last so long, right? And instead, get something that's a little older, okay? Maybe 2 to 3 years old at least, so that way it's not too old and you still have a really good car to drive in, okay? That, or save your money in order to buy a car in full, okay? Save up all your money, and once you have all the money in hand to actually purchase a car, then go ahead and buy it just full in cash, okay guys? You don't have to worry about interest or anything like that, and it's yours to keep also at the same time, okay? Don't buy something that's depreciating in value. You're literally just throwing your money away. Hey there, dealership, I want a new car. Let me just throw my money at you. Just keep it, okay? Just keep it all. I don't need any of it because I really don't care about my money, right? Okay, and really guys, just get financially situated to where you actually can afford a car that you really want. And who knows, maybe you yourself will even own a Lamborghini in your garage. Am I right? But anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed that video guys, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't already, just like I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video guys, be sure to also subscribe so that you stay notified on more videos just like this. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.